just heading back out into my camper van. Got me battery pack that I took to the hospital with my phone lead, which was pretty invaluable the other day when I was in hospital for all my power, charging my phone, camera and all the rest of it. But I got my shades on the head that need to go back in my camper van. So I've got Caroline said to me, she said I'm going to strip off all the bedding yesterday. She's washed all the bedding. I think later on she's going to iron it and put it back on. But she said I'm going to have to clean your camper van on the inside, and I'm like, happy days. So she's been gone for probably an hour now, so I'm going out to see how it's looking, because obviously I am still convalescing with my hand. How's it going? Lovely. Okay, rightio. I've brought, well, the floor's not too bad, is it? All the bits and pieces, all extra bits. Yeah, so Caroline's just done a really good job. She's cleaned everything round. She said there was quite a few cobwebs actually. So 1 week and we've got cobwebs in our camper van, but it's all looking pretty nice. And later on she's going to iron up the bedding, and we're going to redo the bedding, which is going to be fantastic.
Me?
Ah, Caroline's going to do all that. Well, I'm going to later on. Yeah, I'm literally going to try and get her refitting all the bedding, because she does a really good job on that. I can't do that. But so everything's airing out nicely. I've just got my power station back on charge. And my little pack that I had in the hospital. So I'm getting everything sorted out like that. Get all the leads back in position. I got my little aluminium sig box to keep all my leads in, nice and tidy there. Like. Got the power out bag that my Totalcool little pack goes in with all my wires and stuff, keeps it all nice and neat there. So how neat is it looking in here? She's done a really good job. I'm pleased, really happy. Look at that. So I'm just doing my quality control bit on the bathroom, checking out. She's done an amazing job. She does a better cleaning job than me, I think. Look at it, it's immaculate. Yeah, lovely. Under there, under the mat, absolutely pristine. Just the way we like it. Look at this. So it's quality control on the Mohotel bathroom. It's looking nice. God, I can't wait to get back in this thing. Anyway, in the meantime, she said you got a lot of stray stickers kicking around up on the shelf, so she's put them in a bit of a stack. So I'm just right. I got my book back out, and I thought, right, I'll just do a little sticker book update. Let's get a clean page like that. Look. So we use a sticker book for all our stickers. So little memory from last weekend. These guys only half the world away. Look, YouTube and Instagram. So we're going to stick that one in. Stick that one in there. God, look at that. The only trouble is I'm struggling a little bit with these stickers. Yes, I've got it at last. I switched the camera off because I've been here for so long, just getting one sticker off. Oh my God. But right, let's get him there. Yeah, look, right in the middle. How about that, guys? There you go. Half the world away. We've got, I've got a load here actually. I've got another little one there, look, from the International Camper Van Show Jubilee Edition. So that was the Overland. Again. Oh, that was better. That was a better hit. That's not taking me so long. There we go. So we'll put that one in there. We got Kieran and Alice. So I'm just going to literally sticker bomb this whole page. We've got, this is Do Little Campers. Do Little Camper guys. Do Little Campers, there we go. That one there. Ah, my mate David. Just come back from a incredible little trip. The biker, the blonde and the bulldog. Check him out on their YouTube channel. Top man, he's got the Can-Am bike. And I know he's at Overland this weekend, and I was hoping to catch up with him, but there you go, mate. I'm going to stick your little sticker there by the Jubilee one where we actually met up. It's great memories, that one. And Shaz and Daz, guys. Loads of stickers to catch up on here. Right, I'm still here after, I've been here 2 weeks trying to get back-ins off stickers. So we got Shaz and Daz to chuck in the booklet. That one there. I've ended up, for some reason, with 2 from, so I've got these pre-peeled now. So this is Shaz and Daz, Forever in Blue Jeans, nay. Da, 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 da. Yeah, so that's good. I don't know what that's all about. Probably something to do with the music. And we love the era of the music. And we love their interior, all the denim. I remember. So we're getting down to the nitty gritty a little bit. Oh, we've got the big one from Mr. James Riley from Motorhome Happiness. So what I'm going to do, James, just for you, buddy, I'm going to a whole new blank canvas. And we're going to go whack it right in the middle of that one, James. There you go. So you're in the legendary Mohotel Book of Fame. Oh my God, with a bit of a crinkle on, bit of a crinkle, but that adds to the character, mate. Look at that, Motorhome Happiness.
Let's get this show on the road, man.
We're getting down. So the last, well, I haven't got a lot of room on that one there. Let's leave that one for a minute. New page over the page, a new era. Here we go, blank canvas. We'll get on that one first. And what I've got first is my old mate Jason from Apple Radio, which I haven't. I'm going to go Apple Radio. There you go, Jason, Mr. Dubster. And then I reckon we might be able to squeeze we'll put this one here because this is good memories of the our trip this summer. A bit quicker to back in there. It's the Dolomite Caravan Park, Sexton, unique in Europe. It'll go over that side. If you're ever up in the Dolomite Mountains, check that place out. Camper Park, beautiful. And the last but not least, I think I'm going to slide in a bit of Dreamcatchers on tour. And I'm just going to rip a couple, let's just chuck him in the middle. And then I can, as we get the smaller ones. Ooh, Joffy, are we going to do it? Yes, we are. There you go, Dreamcatchers on tour in that one. So the book is gradually, oh, we got some Roman Radfords in amongst there as well. Look, we got Campsite, Lighthouse. Oh, God. So every time I get a few extra stickers, we just, I cram them in till I get a free space. As another, yeah, so we got loads of all in the book. And I think the front of this book is, there we go, guys. That's what we do with our stickers, put them all in there, make a nice little album. There we go. Because the other thing is, if you ever change vans, I know people like to stick them on the doors and stuff, but if you ever change vans, what are we gonna do? Change doors? Peel them all off with a hot steamer and re-stick them on. But right, I'm going to leave this little section there. I'm hoping to catch Caroline. She's going to give us a Mohotel bedding replacement tuition course later on with a bit of luck. Not from me, because I'm never going to be able to do it. Not like this. Oh, look at that blue sky up there. The other little thing I was going to say just before I go, I'm not really sort of going anywhere, I'm just hanging around really, killing time. Our tickets came for Malvern, which is in 2 weeks time. So I reckon set your goals, set your goals. Tickets from over and set your goals, Joffy. So anyway, what have we got in this little box? What have we got in this little box? Oh, this looks interesting, doesn't it? A little peg, a little solar, and lots of lights. Yeah. Look at this. Nice. Ah, tropical string lights. Oh yeah. Oh, just up our alley that is. Just, oh, look at that. Nice. Yeah, so seeing the sun's out, I thought they might have had a little bit of life in them, but it looks like I've got to get them on charge. So I'm going to stick that little box up in the sun and see if we can get some charge into these little babies. The new iron sheet going on. Look at this bedding. So what's the technique? Curling it around the corners. Look at that bed. Oh, sleek and crisp. This is the harder one, yeah? seen the Savoy Hotel in London, haven't you? This is the Savoy on wheels. Here they go. Pillows. Back in place. There she is. That is it. Yeah, that's it. It's a wrap. Done a good job. Look at that. What a job. How nice is this bed looking? With the sun beating in. Oh.